only an obligation, but it is also a true demonstration of your patriotism. I therefore encourage all those who owe taxes from previous periods to demonstrate their patriotism by honoring their obligation. And I urge all of you to take advantage of the ongoing voluntary tax disclosure program and benefit from the full waiver of interest and penalties over 390 years. And through this initiative, almost 2 billion shillings have been collected. And of those 393, none is complaining of unfair treatment or victimization by the Kenya Revenue. I appeal to all, don't forget the past. Come forward, state your case, pay your taxes, bygones be bygones, and we move forward together as Kenyans. My administration will continue to implement comprehensive and dynamic measures to ease the regulatory compliance burdens. We want to make it easier to start and to operate businesses in Kenya. We want to support our youth, our women, and persons living with disabilities through actual access to public procurement opportunities. The government will continue to avail both the infrastructure as well as a stable operating environment, all prerequisites to sustain expansion of investment by expansion and extension of strong economic growth. And in this context, KRA has an incredible and critical role in our development agenda. The relationship between the KRA and the tax authority, as I have just said, must be one of mutual respect, continuous engagement, and fidelity to the laws of the land. As our world changes and new economic frontiers emerge, the KRA must have the ability to meet these challenges and changes and continue its mandate as changing operating environment. An example of economic frontiers are the emerging opportunities of the digital economy. Kenya remains committed to global engagement on the allocation of taxing rights for revenue generated through digital economic activities, and we remain firm for the all-inclusive framework that seeks to promote fair allocation of taxing rights. It should also be noted by all that Kenya is now benefiting from the multilateral convention on the administrative assistance on tax matters, which took effect on the 1st of January of this year. This now enables Kenyans, or Kenya as a jurisdiction, to exchange information on tax with over 130 jurisdictions in support of our tax evasion and financial flows. So as I conclude, I would like to emphasize that we must continue to strengthen the capacity of our tax authorities to effectively administer tax laws and enhance mobility of revenues. And in this regard, I direct the Treasury and ensure the implementation of initiative by KRA in its corporate plan. We need to sustain our revenue mobilization to support our development agenda. So let us support this plan. Let us work together. Let us develop our country. Further, I call KRA to also collaborate.
Ni President Uhuru Kenyatta akiaria thiini wa igongona ria rugamirirwo ni ruhonge rwa ugania wa magoti guku bururi-ini kuria mukai-ini wa Safari Park. Rikana President ni arateterithia bata wa andu kuriha igoti na noigua aiga ati bururi wa Kenya wina aikia a kura milioni 19 aria mandikithitio no andu aria mandikithitio kuriha igoti ni milioni 6 aya angi 13 no manda ni thirikari